Storm Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Joey Bianconi.
Happy Monday, everybody. The snow is here. Thank you for joining us. We have a lot to get to. Lyndale Avenue in Helena, very snowy. The plows have been out there working hard this morning. On my way into the station at around 3 a.m., I passed about maybe 5 or 6 plows on the way. So they are out there. They're doing their job. It is cold. It feels like 20 below zero out there in Helena with a wind of 10 miles an hour. Great Falls, camera's being weird once again, but it also feels like 20 below out there with a little bit of a north wind of 6 miles an hour. So here are our temperatures across the state. Much of the state is below zero in the single digits. Only some places in southwest Montana here, Missoula, Butte, West, even Yellowstone Lake down there, one of the warmest places. You can't really say that too often. Wind's not so bad, but don't let that fool you. With temperatures this cold, any sort of little breeze can make it feel much colder out there. Take a look at our wind chills this morning. Plentywood's at 41 below, a lot of us ranging from the 20 to 30 range, so it is dangerously cold out there. A lot of cold weather alerts in effect for this morning. So if you're heading off to work, heading off to school, bundle up, face coverings, scarves, hats, jackets, whatever you need. Cover your skin because at temperatures this cold, we can experience frostbite within 15 minutes. Here's the forecast for today. So a lot of the state not even going to reach above 0 degrees. Much of us will have highs into the single digits below zero. Southwest Montana, again, the warmer spot in the state. Tomorrow, more of the same. That snow will be around, but the cold air is really going to affect a lot of us here. So right now, the snow's not so bad. It snowed yesterday in Helena, snowed yesterday in Great Falls. Much of the snow activity now is near Billings. I-90 going to be difficult to travel this morning as we have snow falling. A little bit of wind could cause some blowing snow as well. Red Lodge, the Beartooth Mountains, that is where the heaviest of the snow is falling. But as you can see, all of the state under at least some sort of winter alert here. Winter storm watch for West Montana, including Kalispell, winter storm warnings for pretty much everybody else, some winter weather advisories scattered in there as well. So let's track this out because snow will be returning to much of the state here. This morning, we'll continue to see this section of moisture here, this atmospheric river, continue to slowly push towards the north. And by about early this afternoon, Helena could see some light snow changing over into heavy snow tonight as the bulk of the moisture continues to push northwards. We have very strong upper level winds here that's transporting a lot of Pacific moisture into the state. You combine that with that Arctic air that is here, that is a recipe for some snow. We have a lot of overrunning, and that will produce heavy snow at times through tonight into early tomorrow morning. It will be snowing around this time tomorrow for a lot of us here in our viewing area, so be careful on those morning commutes. Now, going into Tuesday night into Wednesday, this is where we could possibly see the heaviest of the snow as another little disturbance is going to ride up this moisture, ride up that heavy wind aloft, and that could produce some heavy snow, even some snow squalls at times. So this is what everybody wants to know. Here's the snow forecast. If you tuned in yesterday to our update on our social medias, I have not changed that since then. We have already got about a couple inches in Helena. So subtract 2 to the 10 to 16 inches, and that's what's left to come. So 8 to 14 inches left to come. But these are all lower elevation locations. We could be potentially looking at feet of snow in some of the higher elevations of western Montana, mostly into the mountains. So if you live into the mountains, if you're traveling through the mountains, it is going to be difficult today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. And that snow will be sticking around because we're not getting above freezing here for quite a while to begin February, but it's going to be bitter cold for the next few days. So make sure you take proper precautions if you're going to be outside. Bundle up, jackets, scarves, whatever you need, gloves, have it because it is going to be very cold. Ryan, back to you.